Heatshield Products, and today I've got our Heatshield Products racer's tape. It's a cool thing to use if you want to protect like a wiring loom or any kind of hose or something like that. It's good for 450 degrees. It does come in two different sizes, 1 inch by 1 foot and 1 inch by 3 foot. So I've got this little piece here and I'm going to put it on this wiring loom. Let's say you had like a wiring loom, you had to cut it open to get to something in there, maybe repair or splice into something like that. So here you go, you can just cover this up. It sticks to itself. It's a little nicer than electrical tape because it doesn't really get that gooey mess after it starts to come off. Stuck it to itself. Let's get that piece off. There's that finished product. So it looks professional, it looks nice. Another cool thing you can use it on is like a tool. You can make a grip if you want to, and same thing there. You know, if you use electrical tape on there, eventually it's going to get all gooey as it starts to come off. But this, you know, once it's on, it's on. You have to cut it off with a knife if you want to get it off. Make sure to check the rest of our YouTube channel for some cool content and helpful tips. And check you later.